This is a cold start on the 125. It's not hot at all. Nothing is hot. It's cold, just kind of like, I mean, it's like 50 out here. And it's on. Choke is all the way off. And gas is on. And, it's not gonna start. So we're gonna half choke and see if it'll do it. Yeah. It starts, but it will not idle. Yeah, it doesn't idle when it's cold. Hoping to bring more content. I might get a bigger bike. So being a little bit older. I got a 300 racing foiler over there on the other side of that truck, but time and chain came off of it. This is a 2018. Comment if you want, anybody who watches, because I don't have any subscribers or anything right now. If you want more on the ATV right there, I got a lawnmower. Yeah, but most of it is just going to be trail riding on this. Got it stuck yesterday. I was going to record it. Yeah, but I didn't end up doing it. Alright. I'm going to work on an intro and outro also. So for now, it's just a see ya.